There is a fruit vine that very few people in North America talk about, yet it has the strength to survive temperatures as low as -35 degrees Fahrenheit, produce food for decades, and deliver exceptional nutritional value without demanding constant chemical support. This plant is Actinidia arguta, commonly known as hardy kiwi or kiwiberry. While most people are familiar with the large, brown, fuzzy kiwi fruit found in grocery stores, hardy kiwi is a completely different species. It produces small, smooth-skinned fruits about the size of grapes. Unlike the fuzzy kiwi, its skin is thin and entirely edible, so there is no need for peeling. You can harvest it and eat it straight from the vine. The flavor is sweet, aromatic, and often described as more intense and candy-like than conventional kiwi. One of the most remarkable features of hardy kiwi is its cold tolerance. Standard kiwi fruit typically thrives only in warmer climates, generally in USDA zones 8 and above. Hardy kiwi, however, can grow successfully from zone 3 through zone 8. This means it can flourish in much of Canada and in colder American states such as Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Maine, regions where many fruit crops struggle to survive harsh winters. Rather than being a delicate tropical fruit, hardy kiwi is a rugged, cold climate vine capable of enduring extreme seasonal changes. The vine itself is vigorous and visually striking. In its native habitat, it can grow up to 100 feet long. In a backyard setting, it can quickly cover fences, pergolas, trellises, or arbors within a single growing season. Its heart-shaped leaves create a dense canopy that provides shade and ornamental beauty. In late summer and early fall, clusters of smooth, green, or lightly blushed fruits hang from the branches, creating an attractive and productive landscape feature. It functions both as a fruit-bearing plant and as a decorative vine. When compared to grapes, the differences become even more impressive. Grapevines often require 3 to 5 years before producing a meaningful harvest. Even when mature, a healthy grapevine may yield between 10 and 30 pounds per season, assuming disease does not interfere. Unfortunately, grapes are highly susceptible to problems such as powdery mildew, black rot, downy mildew, and insect pests like Japanese beetles. Because of this, grape growers, both commercial and home gardeners, often rely on regular fungicide sprays, copper treatments, sulfur dusting, and ongoing monitoring. These inputs increase costs and labor, and even then, successful harvests are not guaranteed. Hardy kiwi tells a different story. Light harvests can appear as early as the second year. By the third year, vines commonly produce 10 to 20 pounds of fruit. By the fifth year, a single mature female vine can yield 40 to 60 pounds. And by year 7 and beyond, production can range from 60 to 100 pounds annually under good conditions. One male vine can pollinate up to 8 female vines, allowing a relatively small planting to generate substantial output. Even more importantly, hardy kiwi has shown strong natural resistance to many of the diseases and pests that plague grapes. Established plants typically do not suffer from serious insect or fungal pressures, meaning chemical sprays are rarely necessary. This dramatically lowers maintenance costs and simplifies care. Nutritionally, hardy kiwi stands out among fruits. It is an exceptional source of vitamin C, often containing significantly higher levels than oranges. It also provides myo-inositol, sometimes referred to as vitamin B8, lutein, beta-carotene, chlorophyll, phenolic compounds, potassium, calcium, zinc, dietary fiber, and antioxidants. Phenolic compounds act as powerful antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress in the body. The fruit also contains actinidin, a natural enzyme that supports digestion. Because of this rich nutrient profile, hardy kiwi is often considered a functional or superfruit, contributing not only sweetness but also meaningful dietary benefits. Historically, hardy kiwi has deep roots in East Asia. It has been known and cultivated in regions of China, Korea, Japan, and eastern Russia for generations. Documented cultivation dates back to the late 19th century in Japan, and traditional knowledge about its uses and benefits extends even further back. In the early 20th century, plant explorers introduced hardy kiwi to North America. Although its potential was recognized, it never became widely adopted. At that time, American horticulture and agricultural infrastructure were heavily focused on grape production. Research institutions, supply chains, and consumer familiarity were centered on grapes, leaving little room for a competing vine that did not fit existing commercial models. The arrival of fuzzy kiwi from New Zealand in American supermarkets in the 1970s added further confusion. Many consumers assumed hardy kiwi was simply a smaller or colder climate version of the same fruit, rather than a distinct species with unique advantages. As a result, hardy kiwi remained relatively obscure in mainstream markets. Meanwhile, several European countries, including France, Belgium, Italy, Poland, and Germany, began developing commercial kiwiberry production. Interest has gradually grown in North America as well, especially among specialty growers and farmers market vendors. Growing hardy kiwi is relatively straightforward. The plant is dioecious, meaning male and female flowers grow on separate vines. To produce fruit, at least one male vine is needed to pollinate female vines. Typically, one male can support up to 8 females. There is also a self-fertile variety known as Isai, which can produce fruit without a separate male plant, making it appealing for beginners or gardeners with limited space. Hardy kiwi should be planted in spring. Full sun encourages maximum fruit production, though partial shade is tolerated. It is adaptable to a range of soil conditions and is less demanding about soil acidity than crops like blueberries. Because the vines are vigorous and can become heavy when mature, a sturdy support structure is essential. Strong fences, timber pergolas, or T-bar trellis systems work well. The first year is usually focused on root establishment. During the second year, vines often experience rapid vegetative growth and may begin flowering. Meaningful production generally begins in the third year. Pruning helps maintain productivity and manage size, but hardy kiwi is more forgiving than grapes. Fruit develops on the previous year's growth, so light winter pruning and occasional summer trimming are typically sufficient. Harvest usually occurs between September and October, depending on the region. Unlike grapes, which often require picking within a narrow window, hardy kiwi ripens gradually over 2 to 3 weeks. Slightly firm fruits can be harvested and allowed to ripen indoors. When refrigerated, they can keep for 2 to 3 months. They also freeze well and retain good texture when eaten straight from the freezer, making them versatile for storage and snacking. From an economic perspective, hardy kiwi offers compelling advantages. A small planting of 4 mature female vines can produce between 240 and 400 pounds of fruit annually under favorable conditions. In specialty markets, kiwi berries often command premium prices because they are relatively uncommon and highly flavorful. The initial investment for plants and support structures may be modest, and ongoing input costs are minimal due to reduced need for chemicals and replacements. In contrast, grape production typically involves recurring expenses for fungicides, pest management, and vine replacement. Perhaps most impressively, hardy kiwi vines are long-lived. In parts of East Asia, vines planted decades ago, sometimes over 50 years, are still producing fruit. This longevity means a single well-planned planting can provide harvests for a lifetime. For gardeners interested in sustainable, low-input food systems, hardy kiwi represents a resilient and productive choice. Although large retail garden centers still prioritize more familiar crops like grapes, awareness of hardy kiwi is steadily increasing. As more gardeners learn about its cold hardiness, disease resistance, nutritional value, and long-term productivity, interest continues to grow. Hardy kiwi is more than just another fruit vine. It is a durable, nutrient-rich, and highly productive plant capable of thriving in challenging climates while requiring relatively little maintenance. For those seeking a reliable and rewarding addition to their garden, it offers a unique combination of strength, flavor, and sustainability.